Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how the anti-aliasing option works in Photopea. So let's get started. So this anti-aliasing option will be available in selection tools except rectangular selection tool. You can see anti-aliasing option in elliptic select tool and all other selections except the rectangle select tool. I'm going to explain why it is and how it works. So I'm going to select the ellipse select tool and I'm going to draw one elliptical selection using anti-aliasing option turned on and another one with turned off. So I'm going to draw one selection. This time the anti-aliasing option is turned on. I'm going to duplicate it, Control plus J to duplicate, and you can see the result over here. So I'm going to change this layer to Anti-Alias on. Again, I'm going to draw another selection with anti-aliasing off. This time I'm going to turn off. Select this pug layer. I'm going to duplicate it, Control plus J to duplicate, and this one with anti-aliasing off. So I'm going to mention it off. So these are the two layers. I'm going to zoom it and I'm going to make the anti-aliasing only visible. So I'm going to zoom it. With anti-aliasing off, you can see the edges. It is little bit smoother. You can see. With anti-aliasing off, you can see the jaggedy edges. So this is the difference. Anti-aliasing on means it will give edges more pixels. So you can see that. So this is the edges, and you can see additionally lower opacity pixels are added over here. Here you can see there is no additional pixel with low opacity. So while anti-aliasing on, it will give smoother edges. So we already know that the raster images are made up of pixels. If you draw a straight line in raster image, it will create a smoother line. If you draw a diagonal line means it will be jaggery. So to avoid this, while turning on anti-aliasing, it will add additional pixels to make that diagonal line smoother. So to explain that, I'm gonna select the pencil tool and draw one line with 1 pixel size. So this is the straight line. You can see it is smoother, and if I draw a diagonal line means you can see it is jagged. So to avoid that, while adding anti-aliasing, it will create some additional pixels to make that diagonal line smoother and look pleasant to our eyes. So this is how the anti-aliasing works in Photopea. But for rectangular selection tools, since its edges are straight line, you don't need to anti-alias on. So that's why in rectangular selection tool, the anti-alias option is not available. This is how the anti-aliasing works. So it will add some pixels using this image references, so that will make our images look smoother. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching and bye.